Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can transform your ads by using AI and what type of results you will get by using AI and generating ad creatives for your ad campaigns. So let me show you what type of results you can expect after using the strategy I use for the ad copies here. Alright, so here you can see that this is one of our accounts where we have run the ads and using the same strategy where we have used the AI to generate the ad copy for all of our ad accounts. It saves our time and it is more like useful nowadays using the AI instead of uh, wasting time writing ad copies for yourself. It is better to use, which is really good nowadays. And as you can see, this is our 2 months progress. Like we have started the ads on in April 14th, and this is still 4th of June, and we have generated 503 leads. And I can show you like a month by month. If we see the last month, we have generated here 299 leads, and in April we have generated, I guess, around 151 leads. So in April, we have just started the campaigns. So after this, we have keep changing and optimizing all the campaigns. And this is the results we have achieved after using all the strategies and everything I have teach in all my videos. So if you want to learn everything and want to create ad campaigns for yourself like this one, I have already created one course in my YouTube channel for real estate, and you can watch that one, and I will be keep creating more courses related to other niches. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you will get notified for all the courses and videos I will upload in future. And if you want, you can go to my website copsysdigital.io and you can go to become digital marketing expert. Here I have just launched the course for Facebook Ads Mastery program, and here I will teach you the whole Facebook advanced course on Zoom in live presentation. I will show you everything. I will teach you everything here in the advanced level, intermediate, or the beginner level. All the results we have achieved in all the accounts I have run ads for the clients and for ourselves. It's all here, and you can see everything. If you want, before deciding that which package is good for you, you can set up a call with me. It's free. You can just add your details and you can select your time and you can set up a call with me and I will help you to understand what is best for you. So let's get back to our video. So how we can achieve this type of results by using AI. So what we need to do is we just need to go to ChatGPT, and I have already created a prompt for myself, and this prompt here is, you can see here, this one. It's all, it has everything which you need to create a good ad copy for any business. So it's not separate for each niche or each industry. You just need a one prompt and you can just change the name and the niche or your services here in this section, and it will automatically generate that ad copy related to your business services or related to your business. So what it will do, it will create the headlines. It will create the 5 variation for you, 5 headlines, 5 descriptions, 5 call to actions, and what it will include the problem questions, the problem solving. It will add the testimonials. It will add the user experience, bullet points, emojis, everything which is currently I'm using in all my ads. So you will see everything in one prompt. You don't have to like write a really long prompt and try to make ChatGPT understand what you really want. So sometimes writing a good prompt solves all your problem. So what we will do here, we will just choose a niche here. We will say the business name is, let's say, realtor, and we specialized in resale properties. You can add your company name here, your name here, and your services. Like if you're specialized, if you're like selling a website or a dental services or roofing services. So you can add anything here, any type of service here, and then you don't need to do anything in the prompt. If you want, you can change few different things that where you want to add, like we went back 3 years and I cannot sleep. So this is all the examples I have added here to make the AI, the prompt, to understand what we are looking for. And here are all the CTAs I have added, and also the examples. So you can change few things here, but don't change a lot of things because it will change the whole prompt. So now what you just need to like change the name of the business and the service and enter the prompt, and it will start giving you all the variations instantly. The first variation, always try to use all the variations because it really helps the Facebook bot to mix and match all your ad copies and ad creatives and give you the best results. So guys, by using this prompt, you will get the exact and really nice ad copies for yourself, and you don't have to worry about writing an ad copy or hiring a copywriter for your ad campaigns. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you can transform your Facebook ads or your Google ads by using ChatGPT and the good prompt. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.